Thank you, Speaker. I rise to make a contribution to debate on the Public Health Tobacco Amendment Bill 2024. This bill creates offences and significantly increases penalties for the illegal supply of vaping products. The bill does not intend to criminalise the possession of vaping goods for personal use, but rather to address unauthorised supply of vapes. And this is particularly important when considering the impact of e-cigarettes on minors and young people. I've spoken to many parents who are concerned about the availability and supply of vapes, especially for young people and students. Creating an offence for the supply of vapes, except where it is by a prescribed person who is authorised to do so, will result in the maximum penalty being increased to 7 years imprisonment or 14,000 penalty units, or both, in line with recent Commonwealth changes. I note the Minister of Health's presence here in the chamber this evening, and I was listening to his second reading speech, and he said that the issue of e-cigarettes is one of the most significant public health concerns for young people. And Minister, I agree, these products are deliberately targeted at young people. I've listened to the struggles of parents of teenagers grappling with a nicotine addiction. This is a serious public health issue, and I support greater penalties for those who flaunt the rules and sell nicotine vapes to our kids, destroying their health and well-being. I've personally had parents approach me with their concerns and have told me that their child's school has had to take the drastic step of closing the bathrooms and only opening them during recess and lunch breaks in order to stop students from vaping in them. This is as much a public health issue as it is a regulatory and enforcement issue. I recently hosted a community forum with the Burwood Police Area Commander, Superintendent Christine McDonald, and police officers from the Burwood Police Area Command about local crime and safety issues. And I do acknowledge the Police Minister in the chamber today, and I want to publicly back in our local commander and our local police and thank the Minister for her work, but also for our local police for the wonderful work that they do each and every day in our community. Concerns at that meeting regarding the accessibility of vapes and illegal tobacco products was raised. The common theme in that discussion was that the accessibility of vaping products means it's far too easy for a person, including a young person, to walk into a store or contact an individual deliberately doing the wrong thing and get a disposable vape or illegal tobacco or illegal cigarettes because they are being sold under the counter and on the black market. I encourage people to contact their local public health unit or police with more information if they see this occurring, because it is on all of us to curb nicotine addiction. I understand that the opposition will be seeking to amend the bill, and I support this position. I commend the Shadow Minister for Health for her strong advocacy and for her amendments that she is putting forward to strengthen the bill on behalf of the opposition. I note her presence in the chamber and I thank her for her work. I also commend the Minister for Health for bringing the bill to the House and note his presence and say and put on record that I support the bill. I hope, Minister, that we can work together to continue to work together across the chamber and continue this important work in a bipartisan way to address this significant challenge impacting young people across our communities. Thank the House.
Speaker. I thank you, ma'am.